Dear students, good morning. Last class we have completed till 4th sum in exercise 6.1. Now we are going to see from 5th sum onwards. The same exercise. See, secant power 4 theta into 1 minus sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta equal to 1. So now first we can be take LHS. We can be multiplied by secant power 4 theta. LHS. Let me multiply now. Secant power 4 theta. Secant power 4 theta into sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. So now secant power 4 theta minus for secant and sin. So for this secant theta we can be write 1 by cos theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. So we can be changed here 1 by cos power 4 theta into this sin power 4 theta minus 2 tan square theta. Then secant power 4 theta minus sin by cos theta value we know. Sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. So sin power 4 by cos power 4 value is tan power 4 theta. Then minus 2 tan square theta. For power 4 we don't have formula. So better we can change secant square theta the whole square. Then here tan square theta the whole square minus 2 tan square theta. Now we can be use the formula for these two terms. A square minus B square. A square minus B square equal to A plus B into A minus B. So A plus B, that is secant square theta plus tan square theta into secant square theta minus tan square theta. Then write this minus 2 tan square theta. Now secant square theta minus tan square theta value is 1 by using identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So for this we can change now 1. Secant square theta plus tan square theta into 1 minus 2 tan square theta. Then next 1 into this value, the same value. So secant square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta. So we will get secant square theta 2 tan square minus 1 tan square value is 1 tan square theta, greater number sign is minus. Again secant square theta minus tan square theta value is 1. So we can write equal to 1 by using identity. So secant square theta minus tan square value is 1. So we got now RHS value. See RHS value here 1. So we got here RHS. Finally you write LHS equal to RHS. This is equal to 1. See, fifth sum second division, cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta equal to cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. So let me take LHS, that is cot theta minus cos theta by cot theta plus cos theta. We know cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So we can be use that. Instead of cot theta we can be write cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta by, for this cot theta also we can be use cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta. This cos theta. See here which is common in the numerator, cos theta is common. So we can be take out cos theta, then remaining here 1 will be there by this sin theta minus 1 by, here also cos theta common. So cos theta into cos theta common means there will be 1. So 1 by sin theta plus cos theta common means there will be 1. So cos theta get cancelled. 1 by sin theta formula is cosecant theta. 1 by sin theta formula is cosecant theta. So for 1 by sin theta we can be changed cosecant theta this minus 1 divided by, here also we have 1 by sin theta. So that also cosecant theta plus 1. See here RHS value cosecant theta minus 1 by cosecant theta plus 1. The same answer we got here. So right equal to RHS. So we got LHS value equal to RHS. So right. See sixth sum, prove sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. Here we have to take LHS. So write LHS. See different denominators, so we can be take cross multiply. So we will get sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B. Then this plus cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. Right? Cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. The whole divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Then next we have to use the formula A minus B into A plus B, because same term sin A, sin B, sin B. So we can be use A minus B into A plus B formula, that is equal to A square minus B square. Here also we can be use the same formula. See, we will get sin square A minus sin square B. Then this plus, here also the same formula only we are going to use. So cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B value is cos square A minus cos square B divided by either same term cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Then next, see sin square A, cos square A. Both angles are here A, so we can be pair sin square A plus cos square A. Then B term we can be pair. So sin square B minus cos square B, the whole divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Next, sin square A plus cos square A, we know that is 1. Right? Sin square A, for these two we can be write 1. See here minus is common, so we can be take out minus as common. So remaining sin square B, if minus common means there will be plus. So plus cos square B, the whole divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. See again sin square theta plus cos square theta term. Instead of theta we have B. So sin square B plus cos square B also 1. So write 1 minus 1 divided by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Now 1 minus 1 value is 0. So 0 divided by cos A plus cos B, then sin A plus sin B. We know 0 by any value is 0. See the RHS value 0. So here also we got 0. So right equal to RHS. So we got the answer now. See sixth sum second division, sin cube A plus cos cube A by sin A plus cos A plus cos sin cube A minus cos cube A by sin A minus cos A. We have to prove 2. So we have to use A cube plus B cube formula and A cube minus B cube formula. A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B, A square minus AB plus b square. Then next a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Let we use now. A value is sin a, b value is cos a, and here a value sin a and here b value is cos a. So let me substitute in the formula. First one a plus b. So sin a plus cos a. Sin a plus cos a into a square. So what is a value? Sin a. So write sin square a minus a into b, sin a into cos a. Sin a into cos a, then b square, that is cos square a, by sin a plus cos a. Sin a plus cos a plus use a cube minus b cube formula. So first term a minus b. So sin a minus cos a. We'll write here sin a minus cos a into a square, that is sin square a plus a into b, sin a into cos a plus cos square a by sin a minus cos a. Sin a minus cos a. Sin a minus cos a, sin a minus cos a cancel. Sin a plus cos a, sin a plus cos a cancel. So we will write remaining terms, that is sin square a minus sin a cos a plus cos square a plus sin square a sin a cos a plus cos square a plus sin a cos a minus sin a cos a cancel, plus sin a cos a and minus sin a cos a get cancelled. Sin square plus cos square a value is 1. Sin square a plus cos square a value is 1. And here also sin square a plus cos square a. So that also 1. So 1 plus 1 value is 2. That is equal to RHS. See, we got RHS value, that is 2. See, 7th sum, first division, sin theta plus cos theta value is √3. Then prove that tan theta plus cot theta value is 1. So what we have to prove? Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. So let me take LHS. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to, tan theta we can be written as sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta we can be written as cos theta by sin theta. See, we can take cross multiply. So we will get sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta. But we have to prove the answer is 1. So we want to be find out sin theta into cos theta value. See, what is given in the question? Sin theta plus cos theta equal to √3. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to √3. So we have to take square on both sides. So write square on both sides. So square on both, we have to take square on both sides. So we will get sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equal to √3 the whole square. Here we can be use a plus b the whole square formula. So we will get a square plus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, plus b square cos square theta, that is equal to square root get cancelled. So 3. A plus b the whole square formula we used here. So first term a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to square and root get cancelled. So we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3. So let me bring this 1 here. So 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 3 minus 1. So 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2. You can bring this 2 here. So we will get sin theta into cos theta value is 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 value is 1. So now we got sin theta into cos theta value is 1. So we can be substitute here. We mention here 1. So sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. substitute in first equation. So we can be substitute here. So what is LHS? Tan theta plus cot theta equal to, we got 1 by sin theta cos theta. But here we got sin theta into cos theta value is 1. So 1 divided by 1. So that answer is 1. See the RHS value 1. So we got here RHS. So equal to RHS. See seventh sum, second division, root 3 minus sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Then show that tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So what is given here? Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. So by using this, we will find out theta value. So bring this cos theta this side. So we will get root 3 sin theta equal to cos theta. So then next, bring this root 3 here, cos theta this side. So we will get sin theta by cos theta equal to 1 divided by root 3. If there is no value, there will be 1. So root 3 will be go this side. So 1 by root 3. Now sin theta by cos theta value we know that is tan theta. So tan theta equal to 1 by root 3. For what theta value we will get tan theta's value is 1 by root 3. Theta equal to tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. So now we got theta value is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So theta equal to 30 degree. So by using this theta value we can be prove this. Tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So let me take LHS. That LHS is tan 3 theta. So tan 3 into theta value is 30 degree. So tan 3 into 30 value is 90 degree. Tan 90 degree value is undefined. So now we got LHS value is undefined. Then we have to find out RHS value. So that is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So 3, instead of theta we have to substitute 30 degrees. So 3 tan 30 degree minus tan cube 30 degree divided by 1 minus 3 tan square 30 degree. So now 3 tan 30 degree value is 1 divided by root 3. Then minus tan cube 30 degree. So tan 30 the whole cube. So tan 30 the whole cube means that is 1 by root 3 the whole cube by 1 minus 3 tan square 30 degree. So 1 by root 3 the whole square. Next 3 into 1 3. So 3 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 the whole cube. So 1 by 1 cube is 1. Then root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 3. Then this root 3 will be there. So 1 by 3 root 3 divided by 1 minus 3 into 1 square value is 1 and root 3 square value is 3. So 3 cancel. See 1 minus 1 we will get 0 and numerator we have 3 by root 3 minus 1 by 3 root 3. So number by 0 is always undefined. So we can write it's infinitive. See LHS value undefined and RHS value also undefined. So we can be write LHS equal to RHS. So at the end you write tan 3 theta equal to 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Right? Hence both our LHS and RHS values are same. See 8th sum first division. If cos alpha by cos beta equal to m and cos alpha by sin beta equal to n, then prove that m square plus n square cos square beta equal to n square. So let me take now LHS, that is m square plus n square cos square beta equal to, now we know m and n value, so we can be substitute here. So what is m value? Cos alpha by cos beta. So write cos alpha by cos beta the whole square because m square. So cos alpha by cos beta the whole square, then write n square, that is cos alpha by sin beta the whole square into this cos square beta. Then next, cos alpha the whole square value is cos square alpha, cos beta the whole square value is cos square beta, plus cos alpha the whole square value is cos square alpha by sin beta the whole square value is sin square beta into cos square beta. Now, which is common in these two terms, cos square alpha and cos square alpha. So, let me take out cos square alpha, then remaining 1 by cos square beta plus 1 by sin square beta into cos square beta. Here, we can be take cross multiply. So, we will get cos square alpha 1 into sin square beta, 1 into cos square beta is cos square beta divided by sin square beta into cos square beta. Here cos square beta get cancelled. We know sin theta plus cos theta value is 1. Instead of theta we have here beta. So sin square beta plus cos square beta value is 1. See, cos square alpha sin square beta plus cos square beta value is 1. So 1 by sin square beta, that's all. So now 1 into cos square alpha by sin square beta. So now both numerator and denominator we have square. So we can be written as cos alpha by sin beta the whole square. See, cos alpha by sin beta equal to n. So for this we can be substitute now n. So n this square. See the proof, m square plus n square cos square beta equal to n square. So we got RHS value. So write m square plus n square into cos square beta equal to n square. So we got both LHS and RHS, same answer. 8th sum second division. If cot theta plus tan theta equal to x, secant theta minus cos theta equal to y, then prove that x square y the whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square the whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. So first, if we take LHS, so in LHS first we will find out only this x square y the whole power 2 by 3. X square y the whole power 2 by 3. See, x square. So x square means cot theta plus tan theta the whole square. Cot theta plus tan theta the whole square into y into secant theta minus cos theta. Secant theta minus cos theta to the power 2 by 3. This is x square value. This is y value. The whole power 2 by 3. Then next, cot theta plus tan theta the whole square is there. So cot theta we can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Then tan theta we can be written as sin theta by cos theta the whole power 2. Then secant theta we can be changed as 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta value is secant theta. Then minus this cos theta the whole power 2 by 3. Then next, see here we can be take cross multiply. So we will get cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, then sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta to the power 2. Then 1 by cos theta is there. There is no denominator. So 1 we can take multiplication. So 1 into 1 1 cos theta into cos theta cos square theta divided by 1 into cos theta cos theta. So the whole power 2 by 3. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So let me substitute sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 by sin theta cos theta to the power 2. Now 1 minus cos square theta, that 1 minus cos square theta equal to sine square theta. This is one of the identity. So 1 minus cos square theta equal to sine square theta. So write sine square theta by this cos theta, the whole power 2 by 3. Now let me bring this square inside. So 1 power 2 is 1 by sine power 2 is sine square, then cos power sine square theta, then cos square theta. Here we have sine square theta by cos theta, the whole power 2 by 3. Sine square theta cancel, then remaining only in numerator 1 and denominator we have cos theta into cos square theta. Cos theta into cos square theta value is cos cube theta. So 1 by cos cube theta, the whole power 2 by 3. So 1 power any value, answer is 1. Then cos cube theta to the power 2 by 3. 3 cancel. So remaining 1 divided by cos square theta. So now we got x square y, the whole power 2 by 3 value, that is 1 by cos square theta. Next we want to be find out xy square, the whole power 2 by 3 value. Only first part we have completed. Now we want to be find out xy square, the whole power 2 by 3. See, next we are going to find out xy square, the whole power 2 by 3. What is x value? Cot theta plus tan theta. So write cot theta plus tan theta into y square, that is secant theta minus cos theta, the whole square, the whole power 2 by 3. The same way for cot theta we can be changed cos theta by sin theta, then tan theta we can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Next secant theta we can be written as 1 by cos theta minus this cos theta whole square to the power 2 by 3. Now cross multiply. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Then next here also cross multiply. 1 1s are 1, cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta by 1 into cos theta to the power 2, the whole power 2 by 3. For x square y to the power 2 by 3 we got 1 by cos square theta. Now cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta. Then 1 minus cos square theta already we used, that is sin square theta divided by cos theta, the whole power square, then the whole power 2 by 3. Next 1 by sin theta into cos theta into, see here, sin square theta the whole square. So we will get sin power 4 theta. Now cos theta the whole square is cos square theta to the power 2 by 3. So 1 sin theta and remaining sin power 3 theta. Now sin cube theta divided by 1 into sin cube theta, we will get sin cube theta divided by cos theta into cos square theta value is cos cube theta. We will get cos cube theta, the whole power 2 by 3. Now we can bring this 2 by 3 here. So sin cube theta to the power 2 by 3, then cos cube theta to the power 2 by 3. 3 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled. Then we will get sin theta the whole square. So that is sin square theta. sin square theta divided by cos theta the whole square, that is cos square theta equal to xy square to the power 2 by 3. So x square y power 2 by 3 value is 1 by cos square theta. Xy square to the power 2 by 3 value is sin square theta by cos square theta. So let me subtract both. So write this x square y to the power 2 by 3 minus xy square to the power 2 by 3 equal to, what is x square y 2 by 3 value? That is 1 by cos square theta. Then minus sin square theta by cos square theta. So see, denominators are same, so whole divided by cos square theta. Numerator 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus, what is 1 minus sin square theta value? That is cos square theta. So write cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Cos square theta get cancelled. So now the answer is 1. See, we proved now 1. We got RHS value. So write equal to RHS. Finally, you write this x square y the whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square the whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Hence proved. See, 9th division first sum. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to p, secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to q, prove that q of p square minus 1 equal to 2p. So let me take now LHS, that is q of p square minus 1. So that is equal to, what is q value? Secant theta plus cosecant theta. So write secant theta plus cosecant theta into p square. So sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. Sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1. So next, here we have sin theta cos theta term. So here also we can be changed related with sin theta cos theta term. So secant theta, that is equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Then cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So write here 1 by sin theta. Then a plus b the whole square form. So a plus b the whole square formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square, that is sin square, 2 into sin theta into cos theta, 2ab term over, then cos square theta, that minus 1. This minus 1. Now do the multiply. So 1 into sin theta, then 1 into cos theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So for these two terms, we can be write 1. Then 2 sin theta cos theta, that minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Then remaining sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta sin theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta cancel. So 2 into this, 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. So what is sin theta plus cos theta? That is p. So we got 2p. See, we got RHS value. So right, equal to RHS. So we got LHS equal to RHS. So we have taken q of p square minus 1. Now we got 2p. That is RHS value. See, 10th sum, cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by a. Prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. See what is given here, cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to 1 by a. But here we need a value. So both sides we will take reciprocal. See, if you are taking reciprocal, we will get 1 by sin theta by cos theta equal to a by 1. A by 1 means that is a. So now a value is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So now we got A value, we can be substitute here. So write LHS this is, so A square minus 1 divided by A square plus 1 equal to, what is A square value? 1 plus sin theta by cos theta the whole square. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta the whole square minus 1 divided by A square plus 1. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta the whole square plus 1. Then next we can bring this square inside, so we will get 1 plus sin theta the whole square divided by cos square theta minus 1 by, here also 1 plus sin theta the whole square by cos square theta plus 1. Now we have two terms, so we can take cross multiply like this. So we will get 1 into 1 plus sin theta the whole square value is 1 plus sin theta the whole square. 1 into cos square theta value is cos square theta the whole divided by 1 into cos square theta by 1 plus sin theta the whole square by cos square theta. Here there is no denominator, so we can mention 1. So 1 into 1 plus sin theta the whole square value is 1 plus sin theta the whole square plus 1 into cos square theta value is cos square theta the whole divided by 1 into cos square theta value is cos square theta. See, same value, so we can be cancelled. So we will write the remaining terms alone. So that is 1 plus sin theta the whole, so let me expand this. See here we can be use A plus B the whole square formula. So we will get A square, that is 1 square, then 2 into A into B, that is 2 into 1 into sin theta, then B square, that is sin theta the whole square. So sin square theta, B square means sin square theta, mention plus, then this minus cos square theta. So write minus cos square theta divided by, here also the same formula we are going to use, A plus B the whole square form. So A square plus, that is 1 square, 2 into 1 into sin theta plus sin square theta, B square form, then plus cos square theta. Now 1 square value is 1, then 2 into 1 into sin theta is 2 sin theta. Next, sin square theta minus cos square theta. Sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by 1 square value is 1. 2 into sin theta value is 2 sin theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. For sin square theta plus cos square theta, we can change 1. So in denominator, we will get 1 plus 2 sin theta plus 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. See in the numerator, 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta is there. So in RHS only we have sin theta. So this cos square theta we should change related with sin theta. We know cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We can be use this identity here. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So minus 1 minus sin square theta. So now 1 plus 2 sin theta plus sin square theta minus into 1 minus into minus plus sin square theta divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 plus 2 sin theta. So now plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta. See, 2 sin theta plus sin square theta plus sin square theta is 2 sin square theta divided by 2 plus 2 sin theta. 2 plus 2 sin theta. See, in the numerator we have 2 sin theta is common. So take out 2 sin theta. Then remaining there will be 1, because the whole term we have take out common. Then plus 2 common, 1 sin theta is common, then 1 sin theta will be there, by here also 2 is common, then here remaining 1 plus, then 2 common, then balance only sin theta will be there. 1 plus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta cancel. 2 also get cancelled. So we got now equal to sin theta. So we got our H's value. So write equal to our H's. So at the end you write a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. So hence proof. Note down the assignment sums. See exercise 6.1, ninth sum, second division you have to complete. Then second sum, prove that sin A by 1 plus cos A plus sin A by 1 minus cos A equal to 2 cosecant A. Then third sum, prove that root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Thank you.